In this video, you'll find out about starting stations of language fitness and their peculiarities. The starting stations are Station number 0, the iteration of the first sprint, Station number 1, adding grammar patterns, and Station number 2, homework checking. Let's take a closer look at them. At the beginning of each lesson, except for the first one, we need to iterate the first sprint from the last word to the first one. It is essential for a teacher to listen to a student carefully and mark all words and expressions which caused any difficulties during the revision. You can do it by clicking 3 dots next to the word and choosing the option Mark. It is also a good idea to add this word to the section of today's words. So click 3 dots and the option Mark as New. And this word appears right here. The blue words should be revised again using grammar puzzles. If there are only a few words in the first sprint, you can also revise the second one, like here. So we just go to the second sprint and revise it as well. At station number 1, the teacher presents the grammar topic which is going to be learned during the lesson. The teacher needs to add new grammar clichés to the vocabulary of the student, either in the native language or in the second language. There are several ways to do it. First of all, you can write down or paste a grammar pattern in every 5th field of the sprint yourself. So you can just copy and paste it. Secondly, you can use the functions of the platform. Highlight a cliché, hit the right button of your mouse, and choose the option Edit and Add to the table. Then we choose the option of the sentence. You can also edit this cliché and add its translation, and hit the button OK. The next stage is checking homework. The workflow depends on the type of the task. The teacher can analyze the homework itself, write down the new words and grammar patterns, analyze and correct the mistakes, etc. And we don't usually go back to the starting stations during the lesson.